जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
आप बोलें।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
जी अपना नाम बताएंगे।
मेरा नाम रज़िया है।
जी आप।
मेरा नाम अमना जफर है।
जी आप नंबर पर। जी अब आप लोगों का कोई स्टार्ट करवा सकते हैं।
ये
आप रेडी हैं सर प्लीज स्टार्ट। How reflection of sound can be defined?
reflection. When one medium sound wave are compressional waves.
आप देखिए।
Sound waves are compressional waves. दोबारा क्वेश्चन बोले।
How reflection of sound can be defined?
Reflection of sound.
Reflection या echo of sound.
It's echo sound. The reflection. And the source of sound, the source of sound by which we can enter into the second medium. The the sound of source enters into the second.
क्वेश्चन आपको समझ आ गया है? How reflection or echo of sound can be defined या definition of reflection और echo of sound sound एक ही बात नहीं आता। 1 2 3 4 5 6
The reflection of sound on the surface on the medium enters into the second medium.
So answer is wrong. सीधे होकर बैठने की बात है जी। इमरान define gravitational acceleration.
The gravitational is freely fall moving is called gravitational acceleration. It is denoted by g.
ठीक है बैठ जाओ। और सुनाए define quality of sound.
Quality of sound, the quality of sound by which we can distinguish between the quality of sound, the quality of sound by which we can distinguish between two same sound faintness and loudness of the sound is called quality. Against example sound of piano. Sound of piano and flute are given faintness of the sound. The faintness of sound, their notes are different.
Right time for seeing that figure.
Zeros between zero significant digits are significant. Uh, zero zero zeros digits are always significant figures. Zeros between zeros after significant digits are significant. Zeros
1 2 3 4 5. So answer is wrong. Describe the sources of noise pollution.
sources of noise pollution. Transpiration equipment, transportation equipment and machinery. Source of machinery.
Correct answer. What do you mean by international system of unit?
The 11th General Conference on weight and measurements are adopted in Paris in 1916. The worldwide system measurements are called International System of Unit. This International System of Unit is commonly referred as SI.
Correct answer. What do you mean by safe level of voice? What do you know by safe level of voice?
Safe level of noise. The safe level of noise is 89 to 90 decibel.
What?
The safe level of noise is 80 to 90 decibel.
80
to 90. 80 मतलब slash 90 decibel. 82 to 90. So 85 to 90 decibel.
Correct answer. Define uniform acceleration.
Our body has uniform acceleration, and our body has uniform acceleration cover if it equal changes its velocity in it equal interval if equal interval time, however interval may be. Dobara. Our body has uniform acceleration, and our body has uniform acceleration if it covers the equal changes its velocity if equal interval of time, however short interval may be.
Right answer is what is meant by reverberation?
Yeah.
What is meant by reverberation?
Reverberation.
फिर अगर हम चेंज करेंगे तो सब बच्चों के साथ सवाल चेंज करेंगे। सबको आते हैं, बाकियों को उनको आते हैं, चेंज नहीं किए जाएंगे, क्वेश्चन चेंज नहीं किए जाएंगे। तो आंसर इज रॉन्ग। What is distance time graph?
What is the distance time graph? The speed time graph. तो speed का सर ये नोट्स से नहीं किया मैंने, नहीं बुक पे नहीं पता था। स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ का मैंने आके लगा लिया था, डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ नहीं आता।
So answer is wrong. What is tuning fork? Tuning
fork, it is a U-shaped body having two metal prongs with a stem at bottom. It is used as a produced sound at particular frequency.
Right answer. What is displacement?
Displacement. Just now. Displacement is the shortest distance between displacement is the shortest distance between in the 2 points magnitude and direction.
फिलहाल मोटा है, मोटा है रंग। क्योंकि भाई बस कंट्रोल भी शामिल है, सब कुछ शामिल है, हर चीज को शामिल है, संस्कृति को शामिल है। मैंने लिखा
जी
आपसे सवाल करना जल्दी करें, टाइम बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है। Which form of energy is sound? Electrical,
मैकेनिकल
सही आंसर, राइट आंसर। Tell us the unit of acceleration.
जी
Unit of acceleration.
यूनिट ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन ए
Unit which are unit. ऐसा unit. एक, दो, तीन। ओके, ये बड़ा खतरनाक किस्म का सवाल होता है इस टाइम पे एंड वाला। चार,
एम्पेयर
पाँच। So answer is wrong. So Amna is the winner of this competition.